Hey, what's up, guys? I hope everyone's doing fine, man. I hope everybody's just staying inside and staying safe, because it's a really rough, crazy time right now. So I'm just wishing everyone to just be safe and don't go outside if you don't have to. Alright, okay, guys, this is a follow-up video on a video I did around 2.5 years ago, where I was telling people basically how I work online, how I make money online, and I was revealing my source of income. I logged into the platform and I was showing people how the platform looks and whatever. So this video is a follow-up on that video, and at that time, like 2.5 years ago, I was at 69,000. I had made around 69,000 online with that system. Okay, guys, so now 2.5 years later, I'm at 94,000 and change. So I've gone up a couple $1,000s. So this is just a follow-up. It's an update. Alright, guys, and this is 100% legit, guys. You work when you want, from wherever you want. It's a dream job for some, especially in this time. People want to make money from home. So I'm just coming in again with another video, trying to help people out as best as I can. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna log in to the system, and I'm gonna show you guys what the system look like, and I'm gonna show you my current income, and then I'm gonna leave a link to the video that I did around 2.5 years ago, so you could see the that video and then compare it to it. Alright, guys, so as I said, this is 100% legit work from home opportunity. You don't have to pay anything. The only thing you gotta do is just do a short test, and if you're successful, more than likely they'll let you in. You'll get a login information, then you can start working. Choose whichever company you want to write for, and it's short. You just write short ads, short online ads for people. They accept it, you get paid, and the more ads you write, the more money you can make, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna log into the system right now, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like and let you guys get an idea of what I'm talking about. Alright, okay, so I'm gonna log in right now, guys. Give me a few seconds, guys. I'm logging. Okay, logging in. Alright, guys, so this is the platform right here. Okay, so as I said, in the video I made around 2.5 years ago, I had made 69,000. Now you can see I'm at $94,601.41, and this is what I'm owed. I didn't do a lot of work this week, so they don't really have a lot of money for me right now, because I was doing some other stuff. Alright, guys, but I've had times where I've made, for the week, I've made $1,000, $1,500, almost $2,000 with the system, and that's United States dollars. So it all depends on how much work you put in. The more work you put in, the more money you make. Alright, guys, 100% legit. I'm not here to waste your time. I'm not here to tell you bogus stuff, and I'm not here to sell you a dream either. You gotta work hard with this stuff, but I'm telling you, this stuff is real. And you can make a living. You can make a good living online. Work when you want, wherever. You could be on the beach, wherever you want to go. I'm serious, guys. Alright, so this is the dashboard. So this is I'm gonna go into optimizations section and show you what it looks like. Okay, guys, so these are just some of the companies that you can write for. You have Paula's Choice, you have Lincoln Tech, you have Capsule, Spartan College. Alright guys, so let me just click on one of them to show you what it looks like. Alright, so you just read the guidelines. Click on I have read the guidelines and you click right add. Okay, and each description is like 90 characters. Put in your headlines, and you put in your link right here, and you submit. The submit would pop up and you click submit. And it's like, and it's $2 per ad, guys. And you can write an ad in like 2 to 5 minutes. You have up to 30 minutes, but you could write an ad in basically 2 minutes if you want, if you know what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? So that's pretty much it, guys. So if you write 50 ads for the day, that's $100 right there. If you write 100 ads, that's $200 right there for the day. So guys, this is a great opportunity. I'm telling you guys, I've been doing this now for like 6 years, and because this is just one of my online income streams. I have a lot of different income streams that I use, but this is one of my main income streams, guys, and I'm telling you, it's good. It's good, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna leave the link in the description to the other video, and I'm also gonna leave the link to my ebook where you're gonna get to. I'm gonna reveal the name of this company, and I'm also gonna reveal the name of some other companies that I work for online. So I'm just trying to help you guys out as much as I can right now. Okay guys, so you get exclusive access to this information when you purchase the ebook. You get exclusive access to this company and some other companies, and you could start making money from home, guys. So guys, I'm telling you, give it a try. You won't be disappointed. Alright, so everybody be safe, and just check this out. Alright, oh, and subscribe and like.